Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to check unknown caller on iPhone. If you're tired of getting calls from no caller ID or unknown numbers on your iPhone, don't worry, there are a few simple tricks you can use to trace and identify those mysterious callers. The first method is dialing *57 to trace an unknown number. Right after receiving the suspicious call, open your phone app. Dial *57 on your keypad. Then press the call button. Now follow the automated instructions that appear. This feature notifies your service provider and may log the call details, including a recording for potential investigation. Just note that *57 is not free and charges vary depending on your carrier. Use this only when you suspect harassment, threats, or scam calls. It helps law enforcement track the source. And the second method is dialing *69 to identify the last caller. This feature, also known as last call return, helps you find out the number of the last person who called you, even if they didn't leave a voicemail. Just open your phone app and dial *69. Press call and you'll hear an automated message starting the number and sometimes the name and address of the last caller. Sometimes carriers also let you call back directly using *69, but be careful, returning calls from unknown numbers could expose your active line to scammers and telemarketers. And a bonus tip, just turn on the caller ID on iPhone. This ensures others can't see your number and help you manage unknown calls. Enable caller ID by going to settings, then phone. Tap show my caller ID and toggle it on. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.